Well, hello again, Tinio here with the Project Drama. I am very excited to show you our color scheme for this year's Christmas. Let me tell you, I've never done this color for Christmas decorating before. Very much used to being traditional with sprawling colors of red, green, and gold. Let me tell you a short story before I begin. Before, I don't have any choice but to use my grandma's, antique ornaments from the 90s. And since then, whenever we do our Christmas tree, we don't have any choice but to keep reusing what we have because my mom just loved them so much. I'm going to show you my first ever Christmas video I created way back in 2012. It's very, very cringy to watch from the way I speak to our decorations.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Hi, I'm Tinio of Kayle Design Studio, and this is our home.
Alright, let's start right here. Moving on, this Christmas I wanted to do something different. You might have seen this color somewhere or maybe in your house. And guess what's going to be my color scheme this year? White, tons of silver, and for my accent color, cobalt blue. A little bit glam, but toned down. Way more of a farmhouse. That's it for my blue and white Christmas. I hope you get inspired. You might be wondering, where the hell is the Christmas tree? The next video, I'll be showing you how I decorate our Christmas tree, so stay tuned. Bye guys.